Interesting. Hello, fellow citizens. It is I, Squidward Tentacles. I'm recording a passenger train outside the level cross. I think it's going to be a passenger train coming up far away. We wait until we hear its sounds. I can hear it, Barn. It also has a symbol in 35 notes after it blew its horn. There it comes. Oh my God! Wait, it's reasonable to get it on the move. So this was the end that I ever recorded. Dungeon train coming along. Camera. Huh. I've never recorded a Z train for the first time called on camera. Thank fellow citizens for the next video on an Z trains called on camera. See you later, fellow citizens. Bye.